one habit that will just instantly improve your life and will just improve your life quality to a huge extent. It has just improved my life to a lot, and I'm really grateful that I started it. That is reading books. Yeah, I know it sounds boring, but genuinely, that's just so much life changing. I've read so many books that have changed my life. Trust me, start reading books, and you might not like every book, but you will stumble upon a book that will genuinely change my life. This book right here, The Way of the Superior Man, it has changed my life. The 48 Laws of Power, it has just changed my life. I'm really grateful for it. I hope you start reading. It will just change your life. See you soon, bro.